Good morning, guys. Okay, so today is the day of installation. I have not uploaded a video. Let me show you guys what we got going on. I haven't uploaded a video because it got really busy really fast, so I have a lot of editing to do. But that is the cabinet portion. Doors in there and everything. We're gonna like adjust the doors as we get there, or as we're there. There's the shelves. Mo's going in Paloma with all of the tools. Hi.
Hello.
So he's got all our tools that we believe we would be needing for installation today. And now we go. So yeah, right now we're gonna head to Home Depot, pick up a couple last minute things that we thought of. It's quite tedious. Obviously it's our first one too, so this should be exciting. All right, so guys, on that note, Mo's gonna follow me to Home Depot. We're gonna pick up our friend Dooney, who's gonna help us with the installation of the wall. I gotta get off the camera so I could drive. But, okay, we have arrived at Elda's and Jesus's. Dooney, and of course Mo. So we're just unloading everything into that. Except that's a big ladder, can't fit that. But everything else, handheld. Goes in the wagon.
We'll just use you.
Can you get this thing? That was funny.
You're at Walmart. Excuse me, sir.
1 point, question
Do you mind fetching this for me?
There's times I do it to them. I just put it on the shorter.
So they get the
I put it
grab.
on the shorter shelf so they still get it.
Ah. Alrighty guys, it's rain. It is day 2 of the installation. We are doing the cabinet today, this one. So all we have to do is mount the cabinet onto the entertainment center piece and then align the doors, because the doors are on there, so we're just going to tweak them to where they're just right, and then put all the hardware for the shelves inside, and that should be about it. So that is what's going to happen today. I'm going to get started on putting the stickies inside the doors. And look at these guys, they're soft close. This one too. All of them, soft close. Schnazzy. Oh, handles. So right here, I am caulking the break in between the two panels. And look, this is super satisfying. So that it looks more unified. Beautiful.